This is our Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited from 2008. We have it for a year now, and for the outside it kinda looks okay. But it has an issue. And the issue is rust. And even it's way worse. It's rust everywhere. Here you see the axle, the top of the frame. It's really bad. Sun is shining. How's life? Oh, terrible. Oh. So we found that the frame on the inside was really dirty as well. I didn't have anything to clean it, so I custom made this nozzle, kind of nozzle thing, to put inside the frame and see if we can clean it. I've added a ball valve to the hose so I can regulate the flow. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Yes, hit it. Oh, that's perfect. We've cleaned some of the chassis here already. It's getting better, so we can treat that as well. The inside, the wax. We've sandblasted most of it. It's looking pretty good. We're getting it all cleaned up. We've done the first part with the fluid film. It's a huge difference already. Everything is covered. This is how it looks before the treatment. This all has been sprayed already. This what this looks like with the first coating. Looks really a lot better at the moment. Right, here we are, another day in paradise. We moved the Jeep to the inside, as you can see, because it wasn't drying outside, of course, because of the shitty weather, and it's looking pretty good. I'm using the paintbrush right now for the last few touch-ups, so I can make everything covered in the black paint. It's really easy, so I don't have to use paint gun and spray everything again. And I'll show you the result when I'm done. Okay, that's it. It's still looking a bit wet from the few touch-ups, but overall it's looking pretty good. Everything is covered now in the Perma fluid. It's looking really good. Really satisfied with the result so far. Now we need to just let it in. We're gonna let it inside and dry for a bit. So this was definitely the worst part. And look how it's looking now. I'll stitch a photo or video next to it so you can see the difference. But it's really looking great. Really satisfied with the end result.